Hello and welcome. Are your legs often feeling weak, shaky, or heavy? Do you struggle to climb stairs, walk long distances, or even stand for extended periods? If yes, you're not alone. Leg weakness is one of the earliest and most common signs of age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, and it affects millions of older adults around the world. But have you ever wondered why your legs are the first to weaken? Why not the arms or the back? And most importantly, what can you do to regain your strength and mobility? In today's powerful and in-depth video, we will cover 5 surprising reasons why your legs weaken first as you age, warning signs and risks you should never ignore, and most importantly, how you can naturally restore strength, balance, and confidence in your legs without heavy equipment or expensive therapy. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share with you a simple, senior-friendly daily movement plan designed specifically to rebuild leg strength, even if you're over 60, 70, or 80. Let's start by understanding why the legs weaken before other body parts. The answer lies in 3 key facts. The legs have the largest muscles in the body, such as the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. They are used constantly for weight-bearing, tasks like walking, standing, and climbing, and they are more prone to atrophy, muscle wasting, if not used regularly. When you move less, especially after retirement, illness, or injury, your leg muscles begin to shrink faster than any other area. Now let's look at the 5 surprising reasons behind this early weakness. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for a long hours every day, watching TV, reading, or staying in bed, leads to what's called disuse atrophy. Your leg muscles literally start breaking down because they're not being used. Poor nutrition, not eating enough protein, vitamin D, and magnesium, directly affects your muscles' ability to repair and stay strong. Especially in older adults, digestion and absorption slow down, which worsens the problem. Nerve damage and circulation issues, conditions like diabetes, neuropathy, or even poor blood flow due to clogged arteries can starve your leg muscles of the oxygen and nutrients they need, leading to fatigue, numbness, and weakness. Medications and chronic illnesses. Did you know that some common medications, like statins, steroids, or blood pressure pills, can cause muscle breakdown as a side effect? Add to that conditions like arthritis or thyroid imbalance, and the legs suffer first. Age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia. After the age of 30, we begin to lose 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade. By the time we hit 60 or 70, if we're not actively resisting this loss through exercise and nutrition, the legs, our largest muscles, show weakness the fastest. Watch out for these signs. Difficulty rising from a chair without using your hands, trouble climbing stairs or getting out of bed, feeling unsteady or needing support while walking, frequent falls or near falls, leg cramps or numbness while walking. These are red flags that your leg muscles, nerves, or blood flow may be compromised. Here's the good news. You can regain your leg strength at any age, yes, even in your 70s, 80s, or beyond. Let's break it down into 4 pillars. Nutrition that builds muscle. Eat 25-30 grams of protein per meal, eggs, lentils, yogurt, chicken, or fish. Vitamin D and magnesium. Get sunlight and consider supplements after consulting your doctor. Stay hydrated. Dehydration weakens muscle performance. Simple leg strengthening exercises. Do daily. You don't need a gym. These 5 exercises work wonders. Chair squats, heel raises, side leg lifts, marching in place, wall sits, just 10-15 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. Improve blood flow and nerve health. Walk daily. Even 10-15 minutes improves circulation. Massage your legs. Avoid smoking and processed foods. Consider herbs like turmeric and ginkgo biloba. Consult your doctor first. Rest and recovery. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Practice gentle stretches. Avoid overexertion, but stay consistent. Here's a sample daily strength routine for seniors. Morning, 5 minutes of light walking, indoors or outdoors. 2 sets of chair. Squats, 10 reps. 1 set of heel raises, 15 reps. Drink a glass of water with lemon and take vitamin D if prescribed. Afternoon, side leg lifts, 10 each side. 5-minute gentle walk after lunch. Eat a protein-rich snack, boiled egg, yogurt, nuts. Evening, 10 minutes of slow marching in place. Wall sit, hold for 15-30 seconds 2 times. Stretch calves and thighs before bed. So remember, your legs are your foundation. And just like any foundation, they need care, movement, and proper nutrition to stay strong. Weak legs are not just an inconvenience, they're a warning sign. They signal changes in your body that you can reverse if you take the right steps. Start slow, stay consistent, and believe in your body's power to heal and grow, even in later years. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What are your biggest challenges with leg strength, and how can we help you more? Until next time, stay strong, stay steady, and take care of your legs. They carry you through life.